Guys, we got something that I used to have one of. It's a BMW 2011 335 diesel with a D. So as you guys can see right there, and what we got done on it for you guys, still got the factory converter, particulate filter right there. Then it's got an O2 sensor right there. Then it duals out from the factory. And what we did is a muffler delete right there. And right there, there's the stock mufflers that were on it, right there. And we reuse his stock factory tips. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. There it is, that's how you do a muffler delete on these. Hope you guys like it. You wanted some diesels? Thank God we got a couple of diesels coming in, so we'll let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Oh my God, it sounds like an 18-wheeler. Wow. Again? That's awesome. Here's sound decibels. 97. Again? That's so cool. I love it. Again? Look at that whistle. Gotta back it out. BMW 335 diesel turbo. I love the whistle. That's so cool. Let you guys hear on the inside. Guys, we want to give him a shout out. He has a school, it's called Tennessee CDL School, and there's a YouTube channel. That's the name of it, Tennessee CDL. So if you guys were looking to get your CDL, go through him, look him up on his YouTube channel. That's crazy. Black smoke too. Enjoy, guys.